Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, saya Siti Soleha, saya guru bahasa Melayu di Bank Bandung dan saya peserta PPG dalam jabatan tahun 2026 Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta dengan nomor induk mahasiswa 2025 4811 424.
Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
How are you today? Is it good?
Good.
Okay, alhamdulillah. I hope that you always be healthy and be happy. So before we start our lessons, I wanna Rafa to lead the play. Let's go.
Attention please, before we start, let's pray together. Let's start. Finish.
Okay, thank you, Rafa. Okay, so do you still remember about our lessons yesterday? Anyone who wants to try to answer to review our materials yesterday? Naura, can you?
Yesterday we studied about permissions, like the students are allowed to, you may, anyway.
Okay, be allowed to and make something. Okay, wanna try to make another example? I want Hasna.
My parents makes me to do homework every night.
My
Parents
parents.
makes me do homework every night.
Okay, that's right. Wanna try to make another example by using be allowed to? Yes, Naura.
The students are allowed to wear free clothes.
Okay, that's right. My parents. Can I read again, please? The school.
School allow the students to wear their own clothes to school.
Okay. Okay, good. Thank you. So, today we are going to start our lessons with the new chapter. Actually, and we are going to learn about the fraction narrative type. Did you ever heard about that? No. This one? No? Okay, before we start our lessons, let's make a little move. Let's play the game, and the name of the game is tap, and then play and grab. Okay, anyone please? Your hand, the right hand like this, and then the left hand is like this. Okay, really tap. If I say tap, you have to be like this. Tap, 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 tap. Okay, tap, 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 tap. Okay, if I say play, you have to play your fingers, your friend's fingers. Okay, play, 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 play. If I say grab, you have to grab your friend's fingers. Okay, ready? Ready? Yeah. Okay, let's start. Okay, ready? Tap, 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 tap. Play, 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 play. Tap, 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 tap. Play, 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 play. Tap, tap, tap. Drag. You have Naura's finger, yeah? Okay, good job, Naura. Kiana, you got 1 point. Anyone wanna try again? Let's start again. Ready? Position, please. Wait a minute. Sorry. Kiana. 1. Okay. Again. Ready? Tap. 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 Play. 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 Tap. Tap. Play. Tap. Tap. Play. 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 Grab. Okay, good job. So, yes.
Cannot grab anything with this.
Oh yeah, you cannot grab any fingers here. It's okay.
Look at
Okay guys, so let's begin. This is we are going to start our lessons. This is a lecture text or lecture fairy tales. What do you know about fairy tales? When you hear something about fairy tales, what do you think? Huh? Fictional story. That's right. What else?
Fantasy.
Huh?
Fantasy.
Fantasy. That's good. What else? Magic. And then? Witch. Okay. I think that you have already know about the title of the story, right?
Yes.
Okay. What is the story? The title of the story?
Pinocchio.
Pinocchio. How about this one?
Maria.
Alvin, Bunda, Howard Pride, yeah. And then how about that?
Beauty and the Beast.
Beauty and the Beast. How about this one?
Goldilocks and the Three Bears.
Okay. Do you know the story of Goldilocks and Three Bears?
Yes.
How about Cinderella?
Yes.
How about Snow White?
Yes.
I know that you have already know about this story. Now, what do you think about this title of this story? Do you ever heard or watch something about this? Yeah? Naura, which one do you ever read this book?
I know Little Red, but I didn't read it. So,
Little Red. Which one Little Red?
on the upper one.
This one? This one?
On the top.
On the top. Okay, that one. Okay. Anyone else? No. If you can see the title of this book, this is It's Not Hansel and Gretel. Belum pernah?
No.
Interstellar Cinderella.
No.
Little Red and Very Hungry Lion.
No.
Okay. Three Ninja Pigs. No. Okay, so all of you didn't know what is the title of the story, right?
Yes.
How about Yes, it's really know about this one. This is Snow White and the Huntsman. Do you ever watch about this movie?
Yes.
Yes, that's right. How about this one?
Yes.
This is
Yes.
Rafael Capriccia, Alice in Borderland, right?
Yeah.
Okay, how about this one? I watched The Ugly Stepsister. Do you ever watch about this? Yes. Okay, so all of them, and then this is we call it as fracture story or fracture fairy tale, guys. As we know that fracture kan, it means like apa ya? Not consistent. I mean, fracture kan is like something like the story. Apa ya? Mess story. A mess. It's a mess. So let's see here. Nah, in this fracture narrative text or fracture story, I have learning objective. The first one, understand the basic concept of the fracture story or fracture narrative text, and then identify the structure of the text and distinguish between narrative text and fracture narrative text. Okay. Next. So after you see the title of the book before, what do you think about a fracture narrative text or fracture fairy tales? The original story is Little Red Riding Hood, Snow White, Cinderella, and then when you see the title of the Batu tadi Red Ninja Riding Hood, and then it's not Hansel and Gretel. Can you imagine what is the fracture story?
It's like an anime or something, a story that is based on the real story, on the original story.
Yes, that's right. That's right. Anyone else wanna try to give your opinion? Okay, so let's see here. This is the definition of fracture story or fracture fairy tales. Are traditional stories which are structured and reimagined by changing the characters and then settings, plot, or other elements in creative and unexpected way. Okay, can you see the bold here? This is the key word. Restructure, reimagine, changing elements in creative or unexpected way. Can you imagine what if the Cinderella is a bad girl, not a good girl? Okay. Can you imagine that Snow White wasn't married with the prince, but got married with the huntsman? We call them as what? Fracture narrative text. Okay. It keeps the original story but twists it. Yes. Yep. Is it clear?
Yeah.
You have to remember it? Fracture fairy tales. The keyword is restructure, reimagine, and then changing, and then creative or unexpected way. Okay, the simple word is modify the story. Okay. And then the fracture fairy tale, a famous story like Cinderella, and that is changed, twisted, and retold differently. For example, to be Interstellar Cinderella in the modern era. Okay, this is traditional and then modified to be more modern. Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, let's move. So, this is what are the differences? Little Red Riding Hood and then Little Red Riding Hood. What is the difference of this picture?
One on the left is a girl, one on the right is a boy.
Is that a boy? It's like a boy. Okay, and then what else?
Different storyline.
Sorry. No, that doesn't answer the question. No. Okay, what else? What is the difference between this picture and this picture? Yes?
They have
Mabel?
different storyline.
What?
They have different storyline.
The different storyline?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Did you ever read the book, this book?
I think I've seen it before, but I don't read it.
Oh, you should read it then. Yeah. Okay, that's right. Good. Anyone else?
I am Miss.
Yes, Debbie. Let's go, Debbie.
One. It's a girl. She's wearing
Apa itu?
red hood. Terus one is a boy wearing hoodie.
Sharing
Jacket.
putih. So in other way, this is traditional and this is modern. Okay, good job, Debbie. Next. So, the fracture fairy tales. These are the key characteristics of fracture fairy tales. The first one is based on well-known story. Okay, for example, like Cinderella, Snow White, Little Red Riding Hood. This is a well-known story, right? Okay, and then the second one, change on fracture elements such as POV or point of view told by the villain, or plot different storyline that I will say, and then ending not the same as the original, and then the characters different personalities. For example, like as I said before, what if the Cinderella is a bad girl, not a good girl? Gitu ya. And then what if the wolf is good and animals, not a bad animals. Okay. Next, creative and surprising. That's it. So we need a plot twist in this story. And then the second one, often funny, modern, and unexpected. And then the last is can be linear or non-linear. Okay, is it clear? This is the characteristic of the fracture fairy tale. Okay, so what is the purpose by making this story? The first one, to encourage the creativity. Yes, and then to think critically of the stories, and then explore different perspectives, and then to make stories more interesting and modern. Next, this is ways to fracture a fairy tale. How can we make the fracture fairy tale? The first one, you can change from the point of view or POV. For example, like the original story Cinderella, secondnya told by the stepmother, for example, ya, or told by the stepsister. And then setting the original story, the setting in the kingdom. But we can change to be in modern city or modern school, for example. And then characters. Villain becomes good, hero becomes selfish. Now we can change it, yeah, in the fracture fairy tale. So next, in the ending, for example, not happy ending but bad ending atau sad ending. Or we can use some plot twist like in drama Korea. Yeah, we call it as unexpected way, yeah. And then plot, the plot events are changed or reversed. Next, this is example comparison. Original story, we know that the Cinderella story, right? And then Cinderella is a kind, stepmother is able, she marries the prince. This is the original story. Okay, the fractured passion. Stepmother explains she is misunderstood. And then Cinderella is actually lazy, not diligent girl. And then the prince doesn't marry her. And the prince, plot twistnya, the prince marry her stepsister. Okay? You can make the difference between original story and fractured story. Okay, the text structure. As we know, I think that you already know about the structure of this text, right? Narrative text consists of what? Orientation, and then complication, resolution, and reorientation or coda. Okay. The first one is orientation. In orientation, you have to tell. You are going to start the story by using the first one. Who is the characters? When it happened, and then where it happened. Okay, for the orientation. And then next to the next, move to the next paragraph. This is complication. The problems begin to emerge, and then pick the problems and the tension of the problems. The climax of the problems is to be in the complication. And then move to the resolution. What is it? Yeah, this is the problem was solved, right? And then it can be happy ending or sad ending. Okay, next. This is the language features that we use for fracture story. The first one you have to use using past tense. Okay, what kinds of verb in the past tense? Verb 1, verb 2, verb 3. Verb 2. Okay. Using adverbial of time. For example, like once upon a time, or long time ago, or in Cinderella changed to be Interstellar Cinderella. Interstellar Cinderella, Cinderella in Galaxy. You can, nanti next week I will take the book ya for this one. And then Goldilocks and just one bear, not three bears. Okay. And then Hansel and Gretel Ninja Chicks. Okay, and then Little Red Riding Hood, not Little Red Riding Hood. Okay, and then the next Federico and the Wolf. These are the examples of fractured narrative text, or fractured stories, or fractured fairy tales. This is Ninja Red Riding Hood. I think anyone didn't have not ever yet to read or watch or something like that ya. Oke, let's watch.
Welcome to Read Aloud with Mr. Hall. I'm so glad you could be here. Be sure to subscribe.
This is the title of the book is Ninja Red Riding Hood. Okay, you can imagine, you can make the difference between the original story and then the fractured story. Okay, let's start.
Right, so you won't miss a single story.
Today we'll be reading Ninja Red Riding Hood by Corey Rosen-Swartz, illustrated by Dan Santat. Ninja Red Riding
This
Hood
is the original books
by
ya.
Corey Rosen-Swartz, illustrated by Dan Santat.
This is Little Red Riding Hood. Ninja Red.
Once upon a ninja-filled time, a wolf couldn't catch any prey. He kept getting licked by the dinner he picked, and was growing more ticked by the day. His belly was aching for bacon. "I'm wasting away," he complained. To huff and to puff was no longer enough. So he snuck into school to be trained. He practiced his katas for hours and mastered the whirlwind and wheel. He jackknifed and flipped, and at last felt equipped to once again catch a good meal. Drooling with anticipation, he set off in search of some meat. While deep in the wood, he met Riding Hood. "I'm bringing my grandma a treat." The wolf licked his chops when he saw her, and hastily thought up a plan. "There are blossoms that way. You can pick a bouquet to give to your little old gran." Then the wolf took a shortcut to Grandma's, where he thought that he'd find her in bed. But Granny was gone. So he put her robe on and eagerly waited for bread. Soon after, he heard someone knocking. He called out, "My dear, come on in. Oh, don't you look good in your lovely red hood? But a shame that you've gotten so thin." Little Red took a look at her granny and said, "What on earth did you do? I could swear that your eyes have completely changed size. Hey, Gran, are you sure that it's you?" "Of course it is me, my sweet darling. The better to see you, my dear." "And your ears are so long. Something really seems wrong." "Oh, my girl, all the better to hear." "And those biceps, my gosh, they look massive. And your triceps and delts are immense. The better for hugging," her grandma said, shrugging. "Dear Red, that's just plain common sense." look so much sharper? Why, yes, all the better to chew. He jumped out of bed to gobble up Red, but she'd gone to ninja school too. She grappled and sideswiped and twisted and escaped from his clutches unscratched. She attempted a lock, but he managed to block. They appeared to be evenly matched. Just then, they both heard someone shopping. A woodsman, Red thought, but instead, it was Gran in her gi. She'd just come from Tai Chi. Don't you dare harm a hair on her head. The wolf took a swing at that instant, but Red deftly dodged the attack. She got a good grip, threw him over her hip, and the wolf wound up flat on his back. I'll skedaddle, the wolf said in anguish, as he struggled back up on his feet. Just a second, you beast. You will not be released till you promise to give up red meat. Though his tummy still rumbled with hunger, the wolf faced his rival and vowed, Ninja Red, you have won. My meat days are done. Oh, Red Chan, said Gran, I'm so proud. Then Red and the wolf bowed politely, and Gran gave him half her peach pie. The wolf was a mess. He'd had way too much stress. I guess I'll give yoga a try. He enrolled at the Downward Dog Center, where his tension began to decrease. He studied with yogis, said no to meat hoagies, and felt, at last, truly at peace.
It's happy ending, kan? This is unexpected way, yeah? You have already know about this story?
Thank you so much for joining me for Read Aloud with Mr. Paul.
Okay. Nah, who wanna try to retell the main of that story before? Ninja Red Riding Hood. Let's go. Raise your hand. What is the point? What is the difference between Ninja Red Riding Hood and then Little Red Riding Hood? Yeah. Try to make difference, yes, Naula.
So the original Little Red Riding Hood was the little rat was actually hunted down by the wolf.
Yes.
But here in the Ninja Red Riding Hood, the little rat actually fights back and
Right.
goes ninja, and they are equal. And the little rat wants against him. And the wolf actually studied yoga. So,
Tiba-tiba yoga, yogis to make a peace. Yeah, that's right. So, thank you, Naula. That is the unexpected way of the Little Red Riding Hood story. So, look at this one. This is another story of Cinderella, or fracture story of Cinderella. Seriously, Cinderella so annoying. This fracture story. Or, this one. This is. As we know that Snow White with the apa? 7 dwarfs. Tapi ini jadi Snow White and the 7 dwarfs. Bukan not dwarfs. Okay. Thank you. Do you have any question before? Maybe you wanna try to. Maybe you have any. What is that? Some questions or something like that? No? About the practice story? So if there is no questions, I have this one. We are going to do a practice and you are going to make some analysis the difference between narrative story and fracture story. I wanna make you to be one group and then one loop, and then one loop. Yeah. Okay. Please do the exercise in this paper. This one, and this one. Work together. Do otherwise. Okay, look at the instructions. There are for about 7 exercises that you have to finish. You can do it one plus one session, yeah. Okay, let's begin. And then in the end of this assignment, you will present your task in one of the classroom. Oh, only one mistake. Ya itu rayuan dua video aja. Is it okay? Do you have any questions before about the instructions of these exercises? Yeah. This is the fracture story of Little Red Riding Hood. What is the difference of the story? The POV is different, right? Fantasy, itu kan diwolnya jadi gedein buat minumnya.
In the original story, did Little Red die? Or did Little Red
By the huntsman.
Ah.
You know the story. But actually, in the real story,
Yes.
I don't know if he's but in the traditional story, like but the resolution of the story is not make sense. You know, and with the red, the red eaten by the wolf, and then suddenly the huntsman came, and then he killed the wolf, and then do you imagine that the person was already on your stomach, and then to be alive again, you need that makes sense. Now we are going to discuss about that. So, and he tried to and then even how this text. Do you know the real story of Little Red? No? What do you think? Coba Akhtar, what do you think about the Little Red? Original story. Gimana cara ending, how about more movie? Do you know about which one is more believable?
The ending.
Which one is more believable? Written by the written by But can you imagine that the red already it might be like okay, again. Finish. And then you have to pass 3, 4, and 5. And I hope that you will finish from there.
How the personality was.
Kayak mereka profiling gitu.
Yeah.
Because they bukan
What people think is
oh ya so funny. Because people assume that the work is dangerous without asking without seeing is a kan atau kalau itu sama
5 minutes left ya.
berarti dia setengah tujuan itu
What else is it for moral? Can you get from this country?
jangan yang
What do you think? Do you think the original version of regular fashion is more good? Original one? What do you mean? Do you think the original fashion is more? Which one is more preferable? The original one because the work
would not be that time and then
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
you did it by yourself.
kalau nulis bahasa Inggris
Tapi yang penting kan opposite ya. Why do you use it? Section 1 is unique and walks. This personal. Walks personal. In the real life, yeah, personally. Yeah. We learn about fairy tales. Okay, we learn about fairy tales and fractures, including definition, structure, and realistic role will just it's not make sense, yeah. Animals follow their instinct. That's right. No, because animals have feelings. Past 3, 4, and 5. Finish. Okay, wait. Still in the second unit.
Sunday, Monday.
Finish? There's something so responsible. Let's go. Okay, yeah. We are going to start to present your works. Okay, I want you to present the task number 3, number 4, and number 5. Okay? Are you ready? And then I hope that you can explore your opinion by using your assignment. Okay, be ready. You wanna try to go first?
Group 3, group
Okay,
alpha.
let's go. Yesterday we talked about wolf, and then now we talk about wolf again. Yeah.
I agree.
Yes. Yep. Okay, anyone, please give attention. Let's see. Let's hear about their opinion about the assignment. Yeah.
So everyone, first of all, let us introduce ourselves. We are group 3. Okay, so the first question is, what story is this based on? This story is based on Little Red Riding Hood. And number 2, what is the difference from the original story? The difference is different perspective. The wolf is actually the good guy that were misunderstood by the people. And 3, how is the point of view changed? The story is told by the wolf.
Wow. So, task 4, compare with original story. So, for the original story, main character is Little Red Riding Hood, and the factored version is the wolf. And the villain from the original story is the wolf, and the factored version is Little Red Riding Hood. And the ending from the original story was Little Red Riding Hood was eaten by the wolf, and the factored version is the wolf Vernon.
Yes. And then lastly, there are questions. Which version do you prefer and why? We prefer the fractured one because it's unique and we love wolf. It also allows us to see from other people's perspective. Okay, stop. Anyone? Do you have same opinion about which one you prefer, apakah original or fractured? And all of you agree the fractured one. Fractured version. Okay. What do you think, guys? And this group is agree that the fractured one is the better than the original one.
Yes.
Why? Can you please explain again why you choose a fractured than the original story?
Because it's unique.
Unique.
And we like
different
wolves. We like wolves. We are alpha.
Yeah, I agree.
And it's unique that wolves has feelings. Yes. Like usually animals doesn't have
Facts.
mind. So now it's really different.
Oh, that's really good.
Yes, yes.
Then what makes the story to be unique?
Because it sounds from the wolf perspective. Because
Yeah.
we never really know what the wolf was thinking, right?
Right.
Right.
Okay, do you have any question about this statement?
Question
Agree with
is
them?
okay, no.
Yeah.
Agree?
We agree.
Okay. And then, what did you learn today?
Yeah. How about my task number 6?
Okay, that's number 6. Do you think the original version or the fractured version is more believable? This is my answer.
What do you think?
We believe the original story is more realistic because the wolf would have eaten the little rat biologically because animals follow their instinct and the wolf is hungry.
Yeah.
Yes, the wolf was hungry, so they can control their they cannot control their instinct. Yes, for sure.
Okay. What do you think? Do you agree with them? That the original say that the original one is believable than the fractured one.
Yeah, we agree.
Agree.
I agree.
Okay, agree semua. Ya udah. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Lovely. Okay, you can sit down, please.
Thank you, Miss.
And now, wanna go next? Yes. Yes, that's right. Yep.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Guys, we're from team group 1, and then before we start the first section, let me introduce ourselves. Okay, my name is Rosario. I'm Fasabiza.
Nama saya Anak Zahra.
Could you please tell the story first? The point of the story that included in that text.
Yes. Okay. So I'll do it. The title is The Wolf Story, a Fractured Fairy Tale. Everyone thinks I'm the villain in the story of Little Red Riding Hood, but that is not true. I was just a hungry wolf looking for food. That day, I met a little girl in the forest. She was rude and did not greet me. I asked where she was going, and she told me about her grandmother. I went to grandmother's house first, but I only wanted to ask for food. Suddenly, people started shooting and calling me dangerous. In the end, I ran away. No one listened to my side of the story.
Who is telling the story? It's the wolf, and the main problem is wolf is misunderstood. And why does the wolf feel misunderstood? Because people start shouting and calling dangerous.
And then the main character is Wolf. Supporting character is the little girl and the wolf. The setting in the forest and the house. Problem, the wolf is understood, and the ending is the wolf runaway.
I see.
So what is the story is based on the red riding hood, and what is different from the original story, switching personality and roles and switching point of view. And what is the point of view change? The red and the grandma is the villain.
And in the original story, the main character was Little Red Riding Hood, but in the fractured version, there was the wolf. And the villain in the original story was supposed to be the wolf, but now it's the Little Red and Grandma and everyone else.
to task 6, number 1.
Do you think the original version of the fractured version is more reasonable?
Yes.
Why your answer? The original one, because the wolf would not be that kind.
Okay, so you believe in the original one, then the fractured one.
Yeah.
Okay. Any reasons? No.
Because
The reasons
because the wolf kind is not kind. Like because a wolf cannot really have a consciousness like this. He wouldn't go to the city and like ask the grandma for food instead of eating the grandma whole, you know.
Okay, good. If you were the reader, if you were the writer, what kind of story that you want to make for to modify the Little Red Riding Hood? One of you can give your opinion. If imagine that you were a writer, and then you want to imagine and you want to modify the Little Red Riding Hood story, and then what can you make the fractured fairy tales?
If she was a writer, she wants to make the little red instead of be like enemy kayak Star Terancam. Instead, she wants the little red to invite the wolf to have like dinner together with her.
Okay. Okay, sip. Thank you. Give applause for Okay, the last group. Let's go. Okay, attention please. Let's go.
Hello everyone, we are top group
2.
2. And we will be answering the questions from here, starting from task 3.
Number 1. What story is this based on? We answer Little Red Riding Hood. What is different from the original story? The point of view is different. And then how is the point of view changed? In the original story, we saw from
So in the original story, we saw and we read from the Little Red's point of view, while in the fractured story, we saw from the wolf's point of view.
next one.
Main character Little Red Hood and at the original story the main character is Little Red Riding Hood, and at the fractured version the main character is the wolf. In original story the villain is the wolf, but in fractured version the villain is Little Red Riding Hood, people who shouted at the wall.
About the
Number 5.
yes. Why number 1? Yo.
Which version do you prefer and why? The original story, because
Good complaint. But we prefer the original story because it has a good ending where Little Red is saved by the hunter, while in the fractured story it has a sad ending where the wolf ran away.
Okay.
2. What did you learn today?
No, I think let's move to number 6.
Really?
6
do you think the original version or the
more believable.
Do you think
I think the original version or the version is more believable? Justify your answer. You choose the original because it's more realistic and because there's The way a wolf will run away is because people are shouting at him. The wolf would have just eaten them all because he was hungry.
I wanna ask, enough? Enough? Okay, I wanna ask to anyone or one of you the same question. What if, imagine that you were a writer and you will modify the story of Little Red Riding Hood, and what is the best title that you will make?
So like if we made
Modified story from Little Red Riding Hood. Imagine that you are the writer. But what is the best title that you will make?
Cincin. Little Wolf, Red Wolf. Judulnya apa ya? Little Wolf, Red Riding. Little Wolf, Red Riding Hood. Yes. Riding Hood.
Oh, dibalikin. Oke, ada POV-nya by using the wolf gitu.
Yes.
Oke. Sip, that's all. Thank you. Thank you. That we can sit down. So guys, based on your exercises, can you have already? Can you make the differences between the narrative? I mean, the original story and the fiction story. Yes, that's right. And then we can make the creative of the story by using only one traditional story to be more creative stories. Yeah. Okay, so this is the example of your tackle creativity. Yeah. This is the adaptation story from the Little Red Riding Hood, and then the title is Little Wolf and Big Bad Red Riding Hood. Okay, jadi POV-nya di change to be the wolf ya. Okay, coba let's see here. She is the name of the students who make this story is Afianisa, you know? Kak Afi. Yeah. He made the story, he draw by herself and then make the story by himself. Okay, and all of you will make the story like this one, yeah, by using Canva, by using PixArt or anything. Okay, this is once upon a time. This is in the small village. There live a little wolf with his dad, and then they want to find. What is this? The fire and lala. Nah, this is the little wolf and then his dad. Nah, Little Red was not the good girl anymore ya, tapi he wants to be the bad girl. He bring of wax. Can you imagine? Splash! And then in here, Little Wolf asked the Little Red Big Bad Riding Hood. It's like angel ya, dark angel. And the ending is this is a bad little red, a bad big bad riding hood. This is a little wolf head. Okay, and then this one, the example. This is your castle again. is a small turtle. You know the story, the race of the rabbit and the turtle? But they made the story in the galaxy, not in the Earth. Yeah, it was so funny. They want to make the race by using in the galaxy by using each vehicle. And then right after the race was done, the turtle would always came out to the top, but he always stays humble. Lele, this is eel. Lele. Okay, and then there we go. Racing again, and finish. Yay! Okay, this is the example of the friendship story that your kakak made, yeah. Okay, so I hope that you can make it too, but we are going to do it in the next meeting. Okay? Okay. Now we are going to make a review. We wanna try to make the conclusions after this lesson. What do you get from this lesson? Yuk, raise your hand, please. Let's go. What is the conclusion or what did you get from this lesson after this meeting? Kirana, do you want to say something? Ahtar, okay, Ahtar. Yes, go. You wanna Ahtar? What did you get from this lesson?
I get more creative.
Oh, okay, creative. And then?
More pede.
More pede for what? More pede for what?
Yes.
To tell the story, to make the story. And then?
That is very funny.
That is very funny. Okay, thank you. Anyone else? I wanna ask Mabel. Give your opinion. What did you get from this lesson?
I get that we could make another learning story from an original.
Speak loudly, please. I cannot hear you.
We could be creative and make a different story from the traditional one.
Yes.
And make an innovative story
Hmm.
from what we learned in the traditional one.
The traditional one, the original one. Okay, that's good. Anyone else? Coba in this way. I wanna Hana. What did you get from this lesson?
Friendship story through like modify the original story to be different different theory or character like it really modify to be more unique.
Good job. And then Hana, and then okay, good. Anyone else? Wanna try again? Yes.
We forgot one point.
Oh, I'm gonna. This. Thank you. Anyone else want to try again to give your opinion about what did you get from these lessons? No? No, that? Doing something?
But I think that mine is already said by Hannah, so no.
Same opinion.
Yeah.
Okay, so who wanna try now? A quiz time, yeah. If you can answer the questions, just raise your hand and then you will get 1 point. Ready? What is the definition of legend fairy tale? Yes, apa?
Modified story.
Modified story. Know that?
It's a remake of an original story that is well known.
Okay, good job. What is the key point tales. The key points, keyword. The keyword for fracture fairy tales. Yes, Fazak. Modify. And then what else? Restructure. That's right. And then remake. That's right. And then the next question. Guess the title of the story. Beautiful girl.
Cinderella.
The only beautiful girl that I can know is Cinderella. Okay, next. Guess the title again. A little girl. No, belum. Little girl. Goldilocks and Bear. Okay, the last. No. Mention the characteristics of the fracture fairy tale. Only one, it's okay. Only one. Characteristics. Yes. Yeah.
The personality is switch, and then the role is also switch, and it tells from different perspectives.
That's right.
Good job.
Now you have already 5 points. Anyone else? No. Okay. Please, the last. Please modify the title from the story of Pinocchio. Ayo Ahtar, let's go Ahtar. Apa dulu?
Pinocchio is not lie.
Pinocchio losnya.
Pinocchio hidungnya panjangnya ke belakang gitu. Title-nya jadi apa? Pinocchio and his shrinking. Oh, shrinking. No. Okay, good. Apa ya title-nya? Pinocchio and a short nose. Iguana, Rafa, Okay, that's all. Any questions before? No question. Quiz again. Apa lagi ya? Oke, kita lihat this one. Coba. What kinds of language features that use in the fracture fairy tales? Yes, Hana, using past tense. And then what else? Yes. Noun phrase, that's right. And then adjective, that's right. What else? One more. Verb. But using verb too. Ya, boleh lah. Past tense tadi. Okay, and then what else? But using apa tadi ya? Ini apa? What else? And no. Formal. Adverbial. Michelle? Adverbial time. Once upon a time, long time ago, we call it as adverbial of time. Okay. Sama ya. Kita berdua. Oh, wanna try to explain the structure of the fairy tale story? Yes, structure of the story. Yes, JP, let's go.
Orientation, complication, resolution, reorientasi.
Let's go. Okay, good job, JP. What is orientation? Orientation.
Pembukaan apa sih
Opening. Yeah. What should be in the opening? Ada apa aja?
Introduction. Apa sih setting.
Setting. And then time. Okay, setting, place and time. And then
Who? Finish.
How about the complication? Mahuna. Problems. Okay. How about the reorientation? Resolution. Laska.
Solution. The solution to the problem.
Yeah, the solution of the problem. That's right. Tadi siapa aja? JP, and then Asa, and then Naura. Okay. Sip? Okay, yeah. Anyone else? Do you understand about this lesson? And before? No questions? Now? Okay, enough. I hope this lesson will be useful for you. And don't forget to next week or in the next meeting, we are going to make the fracture narrative text and fracture story. And you can make, you can modify the story from the narrative text, from the fairy tales, and then modify to be more creative by using your own creativity, yeah. Okay, and it should be by using Canva or PixArt or anything. Okay, if there is no question, I think enough for today. Let's close our lesson by reciting Alhamdulillah together.
Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin.
Thank you so much for your great attention and see you next week. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.